Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back. Let me make sure YouTube is receiving my stream before we start. All right, awesome. All right, guys. Benny Childs, founder of Teach Me to Fish FX Trading Community. Welcome back to the April 29th, episode 1 continued video. All right, and I'm just simply analyzing these charts for you. I had a hiccup with my computer. All right, so I had too many tabs open. I had like the whole everything open. I had too many tabs open, so and I didn't need that because I have the chart changer on here. Let me let some more light in the office. All right, I want to let some more light in. What am I looking at? Let some more light in the office so you guys can see me. All right, cool. All right, so come on back, guys. Let's go ahead and finish this. All right, so what I was showing you guys was that Euro Swiss. All right, we did get our exhaustion square. All right, we also got it in this hidden supply area right here. All right, TDI again is showing us that it is overbought. Okay, we drew in a little trend line. We saw where it was broken and it's coming back up to retest this trend line. Okay, and so of course at the retest of the trend line, you can kind of drill down here so you can see where on the 15-minute chart it is showing us another exhaust square coming into some hidden supply on the 15-minute chart. All right, it's also showing us that TDI is overbought. So again here, just using simple support and resistance. All right, you can trade this on this aggressive line right here. Okay, play that break, but again, we shoot back up to the 4 hour. It's just playing off of the retest. Well, what you guys know as the retest to um, the this trend line here. Okay. All right, let's keep moving. Euro J, we do have Euro JPY. We do have an exhaustion square here. All right. Again, you want to wait for our directional arrow and the crossing of the red and yellow line here before we think about getting in. And of course, if you need further assistance, you can employ the services of the color changing candles there. Okay. All right. GBP Swiss. All right. Same thing. We do have an exhaustion here. Exhaustion. We do have a directional arrow. We did have a color changing candle here that closed below the red and yellow TDI line. All right. However, we got another directional arrow there, so you just want to wait for this because it's simply just retesting this trend line here, guys. That's all that's doing. All right. This is simply it is broken through. Now it's retesting before it continues its journey down. Okay. CAD JPY, we have an exhaustion here. All right, and so that is bearish exhaustion. So let me switch that over to the regular. So we could have actually came here. That's the overall trend line there. Then we could draw a more aggressive trend line to see when it would have been best to get in. But of course, you could have just used the workflow trading template. All right, exhaustion square, directional arrow, color changing candle that is closed above the red and yellow TDI line. All right, you would have got in here, been in drawdown for 38 pips over the next few hours. currently the most profit for this pair is 66 pips, but you would have currently been in profit 30 pips now. Okay, so this is another example why I like to trade the pound pairs, Euro NZD, Euro I, and gold. All right, those pairs that's gonna give me 100 pips a day, where I could have, I'm only up 40 pips on this pair now, but um, trading the pound pairs and gold, Euro NZD and Euro I, you could have been in and out, grab your 100 pips and been out. So GJ, GJ right now, according to the workflow template, it is working on going up. All right, based on the 4 hour, we had exhaustion way back here, but what I think is, because I'm actually playing trading GJ short on the long term. Okay, I'm shorting GJ right now on the long term. However, we have a buy signal here, but have had a lot of consolidation. All right, we can see where originally GJ was ranging here. All right, broke that support, came back and retested, and it's kind of been hovering. So one or two things is going to happen. Either we're going to get a short bearish exhaustion square here, or this bullish exhaustion square will be taken out. Okay. So to be honest with you, with GJ, because I'm looking at the long-term analysis of it, and I can't get into too much detail here on the YouTube channel, but I would just stay out of GJ. However, you can scalp a few. All right, you may be able to scalp a few pips, but based on the 4 hour, I wouldn't do it. Maybe something like on the 15-minute, I would do that. We can see here where our template showed us, or trading system showed us, where it exhausted. What time was this? 14:15. So around 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, it exhausted. Then it moved up, and so of course you could have played that off. But I think again, eventually, maybe this week towards the end of the week, it should be falling off for us, or falling down for us. So yeah, we have that. Okay, cool. All right, Aussie NZD. All right, same thing. Exhaustion yesterday. Easily grab your trend line tool. All right, 1, 2, run it through. Could have got in here, or played the more aggressive trend line. You have a couple of them. And you get these different trend lines as the pairs are making these stair steps, if you will. So this would have been a nice entry here off. Oh, that's the we're on the 1 hour with that. So yeah. So the 4 hour does match up for us. All right. Directional arrow. We do have a close. Let's see if we have. We don't have a color changing candle yet. That's going to bring us below the red and yellow on the TDI. So we don't have entry for this according to our rules. But the market, it has broken it here. All right. And it may just shoot straight down, or come back and retest and shoot down. Okay. All right, Aussie CAD, same thing. We actually got exhaustion today. All right, around 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That candle closed, so we got exhaustion there. So we're just waiting for our entry rules to be met before we get in. What are the entry rules? Exhaustion square, directional arrow. All right. Then you want to wait for a candle to close below the 13 EMA here. That also results in the green price line being below the red signal line and the yellow market sentiment line. Okay. All right. Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss. Forming an exhaustion here. What I want you to do again to help you out, draw your trend line, grab you another. Let the market break this trend line here, okay, before you get in. But of course, watch for the rules. Exhaustion square, directional arrow, TDI. TDI is below the red and yellow line, okay? And just one more, guys. So I will do Aussie for you guys. All right, we do have an exhaustion square, okay? We can draw a more aggressive trend line here, all right? So, and we're doing this just for further confirmations, but of course, exhaustion square, directional arrow, color changing candle, TDI below the red and the yellow. Then as a added confluence, let that trend line break, okay? All right, guys, that's going to be it for me right now. All right, I'll be back later, possibly with another video, maybe around 2-3 o'clock, just to see how the market has played out. But as always, guys, when you have the proper knowledge and understanding of how the market works and how the market flows, then you can be profitable in your trading. Here at the Teach Me to Fish Forex trading community, we provide strategies for beginners as well as the more advanced traders. And so if you need more context brought to you for your trading, if you need some coaching that'll help you to be profitable in trading Forex, then of course head over to the teachmetofishfx.com, sign up on one of the affordable mentorship programs, or if you want to just get a one-off some one-off strategies that you can just kind of pace yourself at learning and studying those strategies. I do have those available as well. So I hope that this video has helped. It has inspired you. Guys, do know that Forex is a vehicle that you can use to help sustain your house. I know many people are now looking for something to help sustain their household, and I can assure you and tell you that Forex is one of those vehicles that you can sit home, be patient, and make money and pay your bills. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, again, head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up, or you can just continue to watch the YouTube videos and try to piece things together. Okay. I'll be coming back with a more in-depth view on using basic, support and resistance. Basic support, basic resistance. How to use, your trend lines, and maybe a couple of other different tools. Maybe I'll throw the Fibonacci in there as well. All right, and this is just for basic knowledge on the market structure. All right, now I do have more in-depth knowledge that you will definitely want to have. However, just basic knowledge in market structure and how to trade it, when to trade it, is going to definitely help you on your trading journey. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. As always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, guys, Happy Pip Fishing. Oh, if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Listen, you guys are going to want to subscribe to the channel. You guys are going to want to help to build this community, because what I'm going to do, starting at 500 subscribers, every time we get to 100 subscribers, so 500, 600, 700. All right, I will be doing a $25 giveaway. All right, I will actually be funding your Forex broker account $25, and we will do a 30-minute mentorship, a free 30-minute mentorship phone call, so I can show you how you are to flip those $25. All right, so if you have not yet, subscribe to the channel, share the channel, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your enemies to sign up, because you guys are going to definitely want to be a part of these giveaways. Again, giving away $25 to fund your Forex account, which is more than enough. I promise you. I'll show you. I'll show you that $25 is more than enough to get started. All right, and be profitable. All right, to grow your account. Okay. Now, of course, you're gonna want more. All right, it's not a lot you can do with $25. It's slow and steady. I'm not going to show you guys how to over leverage your account or anything like that. All right, but I'm going to show you how to flip that. All right, flip that account. I have flipped accounts for individuals before in the past, four times their deposit. Okay, so I did it then. I'll show you how to get that done. All right, within a month. Okay, all right. So again, you can't beat that. Free $25. Show you how to flip that account to 4 times that account within a month. All right, and you're gonna get the free call. You can't beat that. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure your friends, your family, and your enemies are subscribed. All right, and always drop your cash tag down in the comments, because you never know, you could be the lucky winner. All right, guys. Again, as always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.